inverse hammer candles,
Yeah, possible.
which Oliver Verlet says 2 hammer candles is a strong signal. I will buy or sell.
Yeah.
We'll see how we finish today. Yesterday was interesting candle. It has a same price, open and close, almost on SPX. We have a big long week. Usually, all levels would say if you have like a long week candle far away from 20 moving average, it's a reversal signal. On a intraday chart, but probably
What is it?
if we have like inverse hammer candle far away from 20 moving average, it would be possible reversal signal to get back to a 20
Yeah, possible.
moving average. But 20 moving averages keep going up since price going up, so it's not too
Yeah,
far.
but see, now we are holding above this 4-6 high, right? So as long as we are not giving out this Asia low at this point, see, we took support at Asia low.
Yeah, 20-day moving average now it's at
Yeah,
627.
so they would try to take the price from here to 10 points at least. So that will bring us to the 54 area, and then we will see if the price is actually moving up.
Right.
54, this 50 area will be somewhere around 63.10 on SPX right here around this, yeah, this high.
Yeah.
But again, if we are starting from here above 6305 and we post such a bar, we may just behave like yesterday once again. And see, this actually became huge yesterday, but today it has mellowed down a lot, but still it is there.
Mm-hmm.
This particular box. But this became 1 AG midday yesterday, so we will keep an eye on it. But you look at this wedge here. That is what we need to break out, and that is exactly at the 63.10 area. This stop. So now, if we do not hold it and we break down strong below this 200 EMA, we may get down to these levels.
Yeah, wealth chart is showing divergence indicator for possible reversal down.
Yeah, so that is right here, right? On 5 minutes, you have this high on RSI as well. On RSI, you have this high here, and then you have a higher high, but the RSI is lower. So it is already showing divergence, but then it is not giving me any strong signal. And it is this is also support. So that's why I said the pullback can happen till 44. There's also the low of the this particular the bottom of the channel. Pullback on the channel, but we are unable to break that out.
Let's see how we open.
And again, we are stuck at that 4.8 area. So that means we are stuck right at the close of yesterday, right here. The close of yesterday was at 5. So that's why yesterday we opened above 5. That's what I looked at. Because 3,000, this high, this is the 5 high, right? So we went above this and came below this, came down here the previous day, and then today yesterday we again started above this and went up. So this area, okay. So if you mark this area, so if you're above this or you're below this. As of now, we are trying to get above this, but this order block is preventing it here.
Yeah, I posted in the chat room how a wealth chart looks like. The red line is divergence indicator.
Oh, okay.
Going sideways for an hour. I think we'll have one more big push up as we open. And when possible, down a little bit.
Okay, I did not miss anything. So they're not holding 48. They're not holding 48, which is not good. But let's see if it gives it up. Nice volume bar, 925. I hope this is not a trap. But we are opening above 05. Let's see. If this bar closes negative and strong with this volume, we can even get a flutter down, maybe to 40 as a bad signal bar. But then this 46 is also holding, right, which is the 6306 area. But we are still below the 200 EMA.
Yeah. We don't have big gap today.
No, we don't have a big gap. We're just opening right there.
Yeah.
6348. I'm still holding my long. But this is the fair value gap here, right? So it can come down and retest this fair value gap if it's finding resistance here. And then if it takes this thing out, then we will see. There we go. We started at 48. So right at the close. There's a lot of support area here. And then we are at that 0.5 area as well. So let's now see if they want to come back down here to 40 to test this area. And then bounce from 3 AG and go to 25. Back to the Asia low. We got rejected on the 2 minutes RTH 200 EMA. We came back to 43 here. So they may try to get to the London low now. Or they will get stuck here. The bears. See, that is exactly what is happening right now. This became an outside to this close. So if we come down here, that means we'll come down to the close of this. This was Friday's close. Wow. 1 second, guys. I'm getting a call.
Okay. Yeah, here fair value gap should hold. There is one more fair value gap a little bit lower. We might come down to a 5-day SMA and not hold that one. I have a trend line, like long-term trend line, right at 5-day SMA.
Back to the 6300 area.
I posted in the chart. Like I was doing long-term trend lines in a higher time frame. There is 1 year, 5-day SMA. I think we can come down to 5336 if we go lower. That divergence indicator worked out well for the downside.
Yeah. We did visit this area, the fair value gap. But now we are below this low, but we are above 6300 here. I don't think 6300 is going to break.
RTY is going up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should follow. And Q is selling off too. RTY and Dow is going up. ES and then Q going down. I'm gonna go get coffee and be back.
Mm-hmm. This may want to come down a little bit more. Let's see. I don't want to initiate any trades here. But this may become the low of the day, 39, and take us to that 69 target. I still have my entry at 38 here. My break even is at stop. My stop loss is at break even, so I'm still holding that. SPX is still holding this area, so let's see. This is at 6343, which is above the 41, which is above yesterday's low.
Order submitted.
It's getting stuck at 45, guys. So let's see if it what this bar can do. Nice.
Wow, big recovery.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
just 5 minutes I was gone.
Order submitted.
You buy?
I got 44 to 48. I'm trying to get 48 and 49.
Nice.
Okay. I got 49. Okay, nice. We got to the 2 minutes 200 EMA. That's at 49. Now we have a fair value gap on 2 minutes, but there is a fair value. They closed the fair value gap on 5 minutes. The bearish fair value gap they closed, and we have closed at the high of bar one, which is at 48.25. So I was scalped out of that 44.2, but that 38 long that I'm still holding. That's on my personal account.
It looks like it's rejection from 930 candle top.
No. This is really strong. This is really strong.
So
If it can,
it might come down to 38. Oh, no,
yeah,
no.
it just tested this and went up to here. I have scalped out. I'm not holding it here on it. I got that 5 points, 44 to 49,
Might come,
200. I'm out of there.
may come down to 43.
Yeah.
Close the gap. I'll try to close the gap. 2 minutes. And then go back up. Yeah, we failed to close the gap. We'll go higher. Looks like trading range for now. Between 50 and 40.
I like this failed breakdown.
Yeah, 48.50 is resistance so far.
Hmm.
Can't break out.
And look
Right.
at the 2 minute chart. That 41 line again acted as support.
Yeah. So maybe in the trading range between 40 and 50.
Yeah. We could not sustain the high of bar number one as of now, but we're not getting below bar number one's low as well. Again, we are bouncing from the Asia low. You're not able to push it above here. Okay. We got 5 points in this 10-point range. So I'll let it play out now. It's not giving up the 05, 01 areas. Then they're buying here. So we are still holding this particular fair value gap here from 6313 to 6309. This is the last fair value gap that we have here. So we need to get above this. We tried to get above this, but we got rejected right there. We're back to 41. They're going below 41. Now maybe they're trying to get to the London low here.
Yeah, Nasdaq already tested 5-day SMA and tested low yesterday. Nasdaq. Yeah. So technology stocks are weak.
Yeah, but we are finding bulls below the low of this bar. That says something, right? So the bears are coming out. I'm not saying they're bulls, but bears are coming out at least.
Yeah.
Yes.
If we break below 59, we should go to 35. If we break above 48, 49, we'll go higher.
Yeah.
Basically trading range until it's cleared.
I was actually thinking of the possibility of this going up to the 50% mark. So that is around 63.18, 50% of this whole drop. 63.18 will be somewhere here, get to the top of this, and from here we get rejected.
Yeah, anything possible. Just technology stocks need to start to go up. If you look at the Nasdaq and Q, it's just down and down.
Yeah.
No recovery. And the S&P is technology heavy. It's going to be hard for S&P to go up without Nasdaq.
Mm.
Did you look at the NQ chart?
No, I think we are coming down here to, and we will get back to this. That divergence that we talked about may actually work and bring it down here to this area. Or even to the low of this, the 37, 38 area, and then bounce from here. This has been the buy zone, right?
We'll see.
That's my trend line at 38 again.
Yeah, I have 5 days SMA 34. SPX at 6300. 3AG.
Possible.
We'll see.
Did we get the London low? No, we did not. We bounced from exactly that 37.25.
Yeah, give it time. It will get there. Just
The top is at 49. So we got 39. And now maybe they want to get down to that 30 area. 6330. That's another area of support.
yeah, I wonder if Powell said something.
Yeah.
Six 335 already.
We are at the London low. So from 49, we are going to 29. So we are going to that 80 line right now on SPX. Nice, nice, nice.
Did you short? Did you go short?
Yeah, I shorted. I shorted at 40 itself. 39.75 rather.
Wow, you're so fast. Quick long, quick short. That's the way. Quick scalps.
Yeah, but we are at 6,300 right now. We are below 6,300, so we are going down to this 60 to 80 mostly. Yeah, we got the 30. I came out of one here. I'm holding one more for 60 to 80. I'm thinking it will come there. My stop loss is about here, 98.
Hold it to 6,300 maybe.
Yeah, I can keep it at right above this as well, 6,302. But I'll come out at 80
If
or
you
80,
sell,
84.
yeah,
84 also be careful.
if you sell all day, we can get 50 points.
Yeah, we can. This is strong.
Yeah. It's like breakout to the downside.
Yeah. 18 to 20 area.
There's no reason to buy. If you're short, it's good. If you're not short,
33 has given up. So we are going to get this 25 to 20 area. We are coming down here. Here and here.
6309 is daily fair value gap. We might
Yeah.
test.
So see, we are getting, what are we getting? Two levels, right? From here to here and then from here to here. So
Yeah.
SPX gets two levels every day.
Mm-hmm.
49, that means 50 to 80 will be 30 points. Here.
6315 was support before.
I have come out of one at this low. I'm just following this and taking the market orders, closing it.
Nice, nice. The wealth chart had a good signal for breakout. I like the indicators for breakout
Yeah, I will see. I have my well chart
convergence.
login. I'll see if I can get in there.
Yeah. But you need to buy accounts to use it.
Oh, you need to buy accounts to use it?
Yeah.
Oh boy, that's
Because I had login and I wasn't able to log in. It says it was expired. Once I buy wealth charts, when I was able to log in.
okay. Okay. Lovely. Come on. Hit 80. Come on. I'm holding my last contract.
6315, 6310 should have a bounce. But we already broke below 5-day SMA.
Where is your 5 day SMA?
6334.
Okay, 6334. This is, come on, get me 80 for 82. Okay, I'm flat. I am flat. This bar got on 2 minutes, got a huge volume.
Order submitted.
Will it come back to 1033?
Even if it goes up, it will sell again.
Yeah, possible.
It's not gonna reverse right away. Six three three zero seems to be resistance. Now post it in the chart where breakout indicator.
If 19 gives up here, we may get to that 0709 on ES. But we have to have one strong bar getting down 18 and first count to 15.
We ran away so fast from 20 EMA.
Hmm?
We ran away from 20 EMA very fast.
Yeah, that is also there.
We should pull back to 20. Employment index negative 16 in July versus negative 6 in June. Some news just pop up. I shared link to a news.
What news is that?
US Richmond Fed Manufacturing Employment Index negative 16 in July versus negative 6 in June, negative 5 in May.
So that's a positive news.
Negative employment? Manufacturing.
No, negative. You said -5 to 0.5, right?
But it's minus 16 in July.
And -5 to -16. Okay.
No, in May was minus 5. In July is minus 16.
Okay. It did not get to 80, it got to this, and now we are holding above 86. This low.
63.18 held. I think we'll pull back to 20 before we sell again. Should get 2 legs up.
You're getting above that 9 to 30 area again. Four consecutive bull bars, but no fair value gap yet. '18, we got 28. Move up, we need to close above 30.
I'm just looking for sell today, not looking for up moves. As long as you stay below 20,
Yeah,
keep selling. We may get some trend reversal maybe later in the day, but we're gonna have I think it's gonna be downtrend all day. Well, most of the day. All the bounces will be sold, I think. Those-
We are holding that 86 line here. Okay, we got the EMA on 2 minutes. And that is 18 points, 10 points.
Order canceled.
From the bottom. We got the 9 minute 9 EMA, which is equivalent to the 20 EMA on 2 minutes.
We should sell again from 20 EMA. We got 2 legs up. So now it's time to go down again.
No, I think we are coming back up to that 35, 36 line.
Possible.
But SPX has to come back too.
Order submitted.
But we're selling at 20 EMA. And the 5-day SMA here become resistance. Our bear fair value gap in 10 minutes.
This is not looking bearish at the moment. They may sell, but they may sell much more higher. But let's see.
Yeah, just 10 minutes fair value gap is big. On top of that is 5335. Oh, sorry, 6335. 75. And let's see the orb.
This can bring it down to, if you get a measured move of this and this, it will bring it down to 6,300. That's the measured move.
100 orb is already done at 633, 6322, 75.
See, this is the structure. We have a strong breakdown below the 200 EMA, right? So
Mhm,
whenever we have a strong breakdown in the 200 EMA, we go above this. We cannot cross the 200 EMA.
mhm,
And the 20 EMA is below the 200 EMA. So they will try to do a couple of legs down here. See, this is the same structure that we are having. Look at this. This is the same structure that we are having. So we fall below this, we come down a little bit more.
mhm. Yeah, I think we'll get one more leg down. Maybe two more leg down. On 10 minutes, we only have one green bar so far.
Let's look at the 1 hour chart once here. The 1 hour chart is, but this is not good. We took out this low, and now we are holding above it. And there is half an hour left in this. And we have one double bottom, two double bottom, three double bottoms. 19 is one, 24 is one, 25 is one.
So it's holding is good.
Yeah. I am looking for it to come down to 19.5 and then break it down further.
Mhm. Yeah, I think we should go down lower to at least 6310, maybe 6300.
Yeah, and I would say 7, right? So we started from 49, yeah, 63.10.
Yeah,
50 to 10 will be 40 points to the downside.
and I marked daily fair value gap at 6310. So
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna wait. Looks like sell-off is slowing down.
Order submitted.
Yeah, but
It should resume. Bears are always weak. Bulls keep buying every dips. Wish we could go back in time in April. It's good volatility. April we had 200 points down, 1 point up. Crazy days.
we need a close below this again. 24.75, 24.25 on the hourly chart. See, this is where they put it that big volume, right? But we'll have to see how this hourly chart closes. And the rest of the day can become a trading range here.
Yeah. It's just first bear gap. And if I don't close this bear gap, we should get lower. think 63.10 should be a good target. Unless bulls start buying here and get that.
Order canceled.
Possible double top. 6331.
Let's see.
Order submitted.
We are trying to get above 3.3. If we can hold it, we will get to 36 and then 41, the 39 to 40 area once again, but we'll have to see what happens in that 38 to 41 area, right? So that was the support. And now that can become resistance, or this was the breakout of this line, of this high. And now they may want to pull back again. So let's see what they want to do. We are already above the London low. We have a fair value gap created here. These bars are strong, especially the middle bar is strong, and we are getting a good follow through. We'll have to see what we do at London low and whether we give up this 36 area again, 33 area again. Let's see. Or else it will just get up to the bottom of the close of bar one, and that's at 41, and then it can take out the top and even go to that 6318 area, right? So SPX is, we are right at 6300 again because we are in the 3940 area and we are rejecting that. So now this may now start the move back down again. One more leg. Because we are not, let's see.
Order submitted.
This can become the second entry long here. Shall we get back to the 4140s, or we are going to break down 33 again? We could not close any bar above the London low. So we are actually having a liquidity sweep from above. This was the fair value gap. We came to the fair value gap, but we have not yet closed above the 20 EMA on this 5 minutes. And we have not closed above the London high, the London low. We need to close above the London low and then carry it up. Otherwise, there can be another good bear bar which can bring it down back to the 19 areas.
Yeah. Did we get 50% retracement on
Yeah.
the move?
So we are holding that 90 area. We held that 90 area. We held at 86. We came up to this 99, the 6,300, and then we got rejected. But we have the gap bar here. So this is still the fair value gap right here. This is still your open fair value gap. And this is a strong bar. So even if we come down, there should be bulls right at the bottom of this bar.
Yeah, bulls trying to hold above 5-day SMA, and bears
Yeah.
trying to close below. There's a bull bear battle here, right at 5-day.
But what we have to see, this is the end of that hourly bar, right? It closed below the 33. So if we are breaking it down, then it is this 27 is the target. It will bring it down to 27 and then go down further.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we come down below this double bottom now. 2 minutes has a double bottom here. And this 5 minutes is turning into a doji with this double bottom here. I'm not liking the structure.
I have measured, I have a move 6307, 6307.50. $63.07. Let's go, Bears. Get it, get it. I short at 35. Maybe I can get 10 points. Maybe not. Shorting is hard. We keep buying it. Got stopped out. Only got 1 point. Those bulls are relentless. Keep buying everything.
First bar above the 20 EMA, and I'm thinking that that move is done. But it's going back to the 50%. Took support on the 9 EMA here. Went above the London low. So once we get above this, we should get the Asia high here. We closed above the EMA, but it's not a good follow through bar. Although it has a long wick at the bottom. The momentum is very slow. You're seeing anything interesting on well charts? Surge?
No, no signals, nothing. Just hitting middle of a range. Previous week close. So far, no signals.
Order submitted.
Now it goes. This 15-minute chart is a nice pullback, but we have to get above that, and then we will come back here. But if we are not able to get above this,
3,000. There is problem.
Order submitted.
This doji, this high volume doji, this is what we now need to take out this bottom 6301. We have to get above 6301. And that will take us to the 15-minute EMA back to this 630,708 area. I think that is what they are trying to get to. But we need to break out strong about this 6,300. Let's see if we can get 41 now. If there is a big if. $18 to 38, 20 points. That's all they get. 18.75 to 38.5. They got their 20 points. Bulls. Now there can be pullbacks and can revert back to the trend. On the 2 minutes, the 20 EMA and the 200 EMA are piled together now. 20 EMA is trying to get above the 200 EMA. Sorry, the 35 EMA. So this is the 35 EMA here. This is the ETA chart, but we are unable to push through this. Once we can push through this, it will bring us to this 6343.
Well, this is not happening. We need a breakout here. Only then we can get to the top.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Nothing is happening. I'm just coming out of my longs. I'm putting my stop losses. But this 33 is not giving up as well. We are below the 50%. There we go. We are below the 20 EMA and 2 minutes. The 2 minutes 20 EMA just tried to cross the 200 EMA and failed. There you go. There you go. There you go. Mostly it will come down to 24. But there is the wedge support here. We are back to that 30 area. Remember that 63.30 where we went long the last time? We are back to that and we are trying to hold that area. We need a breakout above 6,300. As long as we do not break out above 6,300, nothing is going to happen. It's just going to be in the scalp land only. We are still in that fair value gap, inside that fair value gap.
Order submitted.
I scalped 3 points here. This was a strong candle again, but 6,300 is stubborn. This is a crazy trading range here. And I think this is how we are going to end the day today. High probability. This 38 to 41, that area was behaving badly yesterday, today morning. That was becoming the support, and that area is becoming the resistance right now, right at 38C.
Order submitted.
There is nothing to do here. I'm still holding the longs. It's doing the same thing that it did here. One strong bear bar on 2 minutes can bring the price down back to the lows.
This should bring it back down. In the morning, this is where we had the this thing. So as long as we are, the POC was right here, and we were rejecting that. It's doing the same behavior out here, but it is still a rising triangle. But we have fallen below the trend line. We are not getting any strong bear bars. So that's the sign of super chop. This is the fair value gap at the top that we almost went to and failed, and this is the fair value gap at the bottom. This one on 5 minutes. So I'm thinking it may come down to this 26 area. Boy, this is crazy.
Yeah, I don't like this price action back and forward, back and forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, the one big move and
It is just holding the strong bottom, right? It is just holding the strong bottom here. That's
yeah,
it.
but it can go either way. It can go up, can go down. And this range is not good to trade because you don't know which side's gonna break. I don't know you're gonna short, you're gonna long.
I'm planning on stopping here. I don't want to continue this.
Yeah, it's a good idea. Something's gonna come, but who knows when. This is just ping pong.
There's no more here.
Ping pong table. Up, up, back and forward, back and forward. Crazy. SPX 6300 has been resisting.
Yeah.
So we need a strong bear bar from 6300 and sell. It's not happening.
But 90 did not fade, right? That's the thing. See, this is the box.
Yeah. This is the problem for bears. The range is getting tighter. What a chop fest. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Ridiculous. If you're talking, Sabush cannot hear you.
No, I'm not. I'm saying, can it come down to 3-0 again and now break it down? This had good volume.
Yeah. I tried to short many times, but it keeps taking off.
32 should bring it to 27.
Yeah. I give up on shorting. Every time I short start moving my way, I put stop loss just below my entry, and it always takes out. And I keep losing. Not losing, but gain like 1 point. So I stopped shorting already. Looks like head and shoulder a little bit.
This is a trading range.
I see head and shoulders.
Order submitted.
Now a breakout signal came up. Red dot.
To the downside?
Yeah.
It looks that way.
Downside.
It can come down to this 25. Let's see, such a weak candle here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Come on, let's get 30.
Order canceled.
Let's get 30. Nice gapped out. 4 contracts, 36 to 32. But it looks like it wants to come down further. It's 32, 33 area, 32.75. That's the line that is holding.
Looks like we're back in this trading range again. Don't want to break down. Now we're going up. That was the wrong signal. Damn. Oh.
I think it will go up from here. We have held these levels, right? This was the low that we broke down. This was the low that we broke down, and we have recovered that. So that is the play that we are in. So if we break out of 35 now, yeah, we will go higher. We'll go to that 41 area. If we break out of 38, we'll get to that 41 area.
Yeah. I gotta leave in an hour. I have appointment. We'll see what
Yeah, I'm just holding that short.
you holding short.
Yeah, the one that I shorted here, I shorted the top of this candle.
Okay.
I had a 1 point stop loss. Now I have it at break even right here, and I'm trying to see if we can come back to this 31, but it may not happen. We are just doing a trading range above this thing, right? So the idea is to go up. And if you look at the 1 hour chart, 1 hour we are below this. That's the problem. We are below the 20 EMA on 1 hour, and on the 4 hour chart, there also you are below the 20 EMA. Right, so this is a very bad place to do anything, to just give up. I'm just trying to see if we can come back to 32, 38 to 32, or 38 to 35 I got. I want 3 more points.
Yeah, we're like in the middle of morning sell-off.
Yeah.
It can go either way. But we are above 5-day SMA.
If you see here, every time we have come up to the London EMA, we have failed. Every time we have come up to the London EMA, we have failed. So maybe, but we got on the hourly, if you see, we did get 2 legs down. This was the first leg down. This was the pullback. This was the second leg down.
Yeah. SPX needs to get above 6,300 because I keep selling it. We don't let it close
Yeah.
above.
SPX needs to get above 6,300. But then, yeah, think about it this way: we are in a bullish environment, right? And we broke down a major low, and we are holding that. See, this was the major low. We broke it. We did not even close below it, and then we came back up.
Right.
And they got that from here. Whoever got here, 2.6, 2.5, they got their 10 points, and they're holding that area. But I'm pretty sure that today, end of the day, we will get back to that 43 to 45 area. Let's see. But when that will happen, I don't know. You don't know.
Now just sideways. 31 to 38 range. Nothing to do.
Nothing to do here. Yeah.
Strong sell-off in the morning, but no follow through. Buy it right away. I was thinking you would get one more leg down from morning sell-off.
It still can. It still can come back to 26.
Yeah, I was thinking come down below morning low.
Yeah. But you know what? I think we will get that. We'll do some sideways, and maybe we will come down a little. But this was the. So if we start from here, like this. If you look at this, from here we got down till here, we pulled back up, and we got 1:1. Exactly 1:1.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you hold this 30-28 area, then yes, in the evening we'll start going up again.
We didn't get about 200 MA yet on the 2-minute chart. ETH. We need to make it move quick somewhere.
There you go. Let's see if we can get 28 this time. Or we will stop at 30 again. 30, 31.
That's where 5-day SMA we're trying to hold. Wanna let it break. If we close below 5-day SMA, and then it will become resistance. The bulls are trying to hold it. Only scalped.
See, this is still a bull bar here. All right, this is still a bull bar. And if we get above this 43 area once again, this is the 41 to 43 has become the resistance now. If we get above that, we will get back to the 73 again, 63, 70. Come on, Bears, let's go.
There's a weak link.
Yeah, they're coming to 31. Hold on. They're coming to 31. 31, 32 area. I want 300 or I will come out at 100 now.
Nothing's happening.
Yeah. We have just created another fair value gap on the bullish side here. On your wealth chart, did you see anything on the 1 hour?
1 hour?
Yeah.
Let me change it.
And did the price go above the candle which had that?
1 hour is showing nothing. It was a red ball that's showing breakdown, but it's closed. It stopped.
Okay. Can you retest those signals that you are getting? I mean, backtest if they are working consistently.
Yeah, because we showed divergence on 1 hour and was sell off from that divergence.
Mm.
Let me show you, and I'll post it in the chart.
Okay.
This is 1 hour. There is a red ball forming right now, showing
What
breakdown.
for me?
Right, it's a breakdown indicator on 1 hour and on 2 minutes also.
So where did you get that indicator? The 1 hour indicator. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. We came back to the trend line, and I think we're going to break that.
Yeah, it's surely gonna go down. Breakout to a downside
Yeah, 29. Let's see.
indicator.
29.25, 30.25.
But both keep buying at 31.
Yeah. See, do not get disappointed with this area. Look at this. This is your fair value gap. So there, bulls are supposed to be here.
Yeah,
Okay, so the market is still bullish here. You can buy every time it comes down here. You can buy. See, 30, 31 area every time you can buy.
right.
So as long as we are not taking out this low again, this 24, 25, or this double bottom even 24, 25, there is that's why I'm saying it can come down to these levels, but it will still bounce.
Yeah,
See, at this point, you know that this is working as support. So you can take limit orders every time it comes here. But I came out of my shorts and I went long and I scalped 200.
nice.
So that these two trades, the short and the long, gave me my 40 points. I am done for now.
But range is too small.
Yeah, range is so small.
5-6 point range. It's hard to. You have to be like sell exact top and buy exact bottom to make 3-4 points. There's no breakouts either way.
$35. Shall we get up to 38? I came out of one at 35. This one. Again, the runner is at stop loss or at 37.5. Guys, I am stopping here today. There is no point in keeping on trading in this area. So I will see you guys again tomorrow. Let's see how this day closes. We'll see how I don't think the gamma is going to change. So we are holding these. We are looking at SPX right now. We are trying to break out of the 6,300 area. This was one of the gamma areas at 9.5. We are holding that. We have held that multiple times. This was another area which again we have crossed, held, and we have gone up from this one to this one. But our daily goal, right? We started from here, right? 14, 15. No, we started from here. 935, 930, and we got this move down, right? So it is possible that if we get back up here, it is again trying to come back to the 6311 area. But we need to get out. If you see that there's a strong breakout of this, take most of your profits here and then hold for it to come to the 6311 to the 13 area. At that point of time, it can actually come back to the open of the day. Same thing that we did yesterday, right? So the same thing, we can come back to the open of the day if we can get above this 6300. Okay, so I will leave you guys with that, and I will see you guys again tomorrow.
Okay, have a good day.
Okay, yeah, bye.
Bye.